Friends, now I will teach you how to make pen stand using origami method. For this we require 12 square sheets of any size, any side. So I have taken this one. So first we'll fold and we'll make it as a rectangular base or door base. Now it will convert it into window base. Window base. Now we will fold these corners square diagonally. Again this side. So again fold. Now it will interlock. So one side is over. Now again fold from the corner. This way. Now interlock. You can use other colors to look good. You can insert a paper inside in other color. You can do it slowly. Take any other color. This way you make another 4 colors. By putting gum, Fevicol. Base and put the Fevicol and make the pen stand. If you take bigger paper square sheet, you will get bigger pen stand. Thank you.